Hey guys, in this video I am going to teach you guys something interesting. Now you guys can directly use the Linux terminal inside Windows 10 without any virtual machine softwares. That's fantastic, right? I have given the link to download this app in the description below, or you can directly download it from the Windows App Store. Once you have installed this app from your Windows App Store, you have to enable the subsystem from your Windows 10 PC. For that, you need to execute the following command on the PowerShell, but make sure to run your PowerShell with administrator privilege because it's a system related feature and it needs admin privilege. Once the command process is done, you must restart your PC, so these changes will take effect. Now you can open your Ubuntu app from the Start menu, and it will start the installation for the terminal inside your Windows 10. Once the installation is done, you have to set up your username and password, and then you can start to use your Linux commands in Windows 10. I hope this helps you guys. If you guys like this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next video, and bye.